Alright guys, hope you guys are good to the sub. Remember your homework is due today on Monday, September 30th. I will be checking your status on Go Guardians to make sure you guys are on task and be great like you guys normally are. Alright, so today we're going to start solving and graphing inequalities. So we're going to flip to the inside of it because this is where our notes are because I couldn't squeeze it on the first page. First thing right here, we have the symbol. Some of you guys describe as alligators, but I think now that we're older, I think it might be more helpful if I describe this as like an arrow pointing right. So this looks like an arrow that points right? It looks like it's pointing this way. This means that it is going to be greater than. So when we have x is greater than 5, we have x is greater than 5. On our number lines, we're going to go ahead and, so here's 5. Because there is no equal sign, it will be open. And greater than means, not greater than, but remember I like to say that it looks like an arrow. So this arrow points to the right, so when it's written like this, the arrow kind of tells you what direction to go. So a real life example would be, if you eat more than 5 cookies, then you'll have a stomach ache. More than 5 would be 6, 7, 8, but not including 5. Alright, moving on. We have this one. We have an arrow pointing to the left now. Pointing left. This means that it will be less than. So when we have our inequality x, the symbol 5, we have x is less than 5. And on our number line, we can go ahead and remember it's still not including 5 because there's no equal sign. Open circle right here, and then pointing to the left like so. And here's a real life example. If you get less than 5% on the quiz, you should retake it. To anything lower than 5, not including 5, 4 counts, 3 counts, 2 counts, 1 counts. Our next symbol over here, we have greater than or equal to. So or, I'm gonna write or in capitals, you guys know that it's or equal to. So if I have the symbol x is greater than or equal to 5, I have x is greater than or equal to 5. So x could be equal to 5 or greater than 5. So we know that greater than 5 looks like this. Because from the previous example, greater than 5 looks like this. But it is also equal to 5, greater than or equal to 5. So that means I can fill this in, and it will be a closed circle. And our example is, you need to do at least 5 of your problems on your homework. So at least means you can do 5, you can do 6, 7. 5 is the minimum. Our last symbol of inequality is this one. This one's going to be less than or equal to. So here we have x is less than or equal to 5. And remember, it kind of acts as an arrow. If I go to the number 5, the arrow points to the left. That means I need to color into the left. And I also need to go ahead and put that equal sign. That equal sign to mean it will be a closed circle. For our last example, at most you should use the classroom during class. At most you should use the bathroom during class 5 times a month. Alright, thank you.